Welcome to Equilibrium. We're living in an age of constant acceleration. More meetings, more messages, more demands, more pressure to keep going. Somewhere along the way we were sold the idea that success requires sacrifice, your time, your energy, your health, and too often your happiness. But what if true success was never meant to feel exhausting? This book is your invitation to rethink the way you work, live and lead. Equilibrium is about creating a life where ambition and well-being strengthen each other rather than compete. It's about learning how to protect your time, reclaim your focus, and succeed without losing yourself in the process. Inside the pages, you'll discover practical tools, powerful mindset shifts, and sustainable habits that help you perform at your best while still being fully present for the people and moments that matter most. The book is also interactive. Most chapters conclude with a short exercise to help you realize your goals. Because the real measure of success is not just achievement, it's clarity, energy, presence, and peace. When those things are in balance, everything changes. You work smarter, you live better, you feel more like yourself again. This is your moment to reset the pace, redefine success, and build a life that supports both performance and fulfillment. Welcome to Equilibrium.